Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we coloring and draw alphabets A to Z. First we are using red color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. And the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. Now we coloring the alphabet of G. And the next one is H. H for hand. I for eyes, and the next one is J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. Kids, now we are using the color of blue. Now we are mixing the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mangoes. N for nose, N for nest. Subscribe to our channel. O for octopus. Kids, the next one is P. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose, R for rice, and the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. The next one is T. T for tiger, T for teacher. We again use blue color. U for umbrella, and the next one is V. V for vanilla. The next one is W. W for wolf. Now we coloring the alphabet of X, and the next one is Y, and the last one is Z. Today we coloring and draw alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.